Okay, I've got this Euro. Not sure who it's made by. Got it from RJ. I believe this is the last. No, I got two dimple locks of his to pick. But this works very smooth. It is locked. Here's the bitty. Not sure if it's a 5 or 6 pin. The key has KBV on it with the little Euro lock emblem, so not sure. If anyone knows, just leave it in the comments. Let me know what kind of lock it is or who it's made by. And they're also still working on the roof, so you may hear some banging and beating. I ordered me some new Peterson hooks, 15, 18 thousandths. My suggestion to you new pickers is when you start out, if you're like me, you're heavy-handed and you end up bending them out of shape, try to take it easy on them, or go ahead and order another set and just put them up. But I will still use these. I also ordered some rattan hooks. I saw videos, people talking how good they are. I mean, you can get like 5 for 11 bucks, so on one side I found. So see how they are, and if they're any good, I'll order some more. I didn't order rakes. I'm not much of a raker. I'd rather single pin pick than rake, actually. I think I just overset. I need to find a okay set of dimple picks. I've got these Chinese. Hell, I got 3 or 4 sets. Just can't find that. Can't find one I like or feels comfortable. Alright, we got a little turn. Anybody got any suggestions? Put them in the comments and I'll definitely look at them. And I already know Salver. Alright. There's a pretty good turn. Counter rotation, I believe that was 3. And I believe that was 5 that popped it open on. And she is open. It's a nice little lock. Nice little pick. I also got me another set of these circlip remover pliers coming. The kind that are made that don't have interchangeable heads with it, because these like to pop off from time to time. I didn't need them after all. So, it's a pin. That's what I thought. All key pins are there and working. Number 1 serrated. 2 serrated. 3 serrated. 4 standard, and 5 is serrated. Shoot. Alright. I don't think anything's been done to the plug. Nope. Now let's see what's in here. I think this lock is a standard pin. Standard spool. Spool. And standard. And the springs. Okay. Just to double check. Nope. Nothing's been done to the bobble. Here are the pins for this lock. All the key pins are serrated except for number 4. Standard. Driver pins, 1 standard, 2 standard, 3, 4 spool, and 5 standard. Alright, RJ, thanks for the lock. And as always, guys, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great one, guys. Thanks.